What a beautiful day. Let's follow a hoang and see what he will do with this bamboo today. Trust me, there are many people here who have never touched a bamboo like this in their whole life. It is really beautiful. But what will he do with it? I was surprised when I watched the video until the end. The work is beyond my rich imagination. Look at this handsaw. It's probably older than I am. What does he do with these bamboo tubes? In my hometown, these tubes are used to catch eels very effectively. Oh, he is separating them. In China and many East Asian countries also use bamboo to make chopsticks. It is very environmentally friendly. I like that. The rooster crowing, the wind blowing, the scenery is so peaceful. It feels so relaxing. I want to stay here. Continue to split bamboo. A hoang has very skillful knife skills. If it were me, I would probably lose some skin. So patient and meticulous, it looks like it's almost finished. A hoang seems very serious and dedicated to these bamboo sticks. Hey, hurry up, I'm hungry. I bet it's thinking that. Highs! Have to wait again. Maybe I should go catch chicken to eat to fill my stomach. Whatever it is, it looks perfect. I love handmade things. Every ingredient is appreciated. I think it's finished. Maybe a broom to clean the pot. In the countryside, we still use a fire. It's used to clean the bottom of the pot. It's more of an art than a tool. Its value is much greater than its use. I love things like this. It feels like a throwback to the past. No one makes things like this anymore. Subscribe to our channel to watch the next videos. There are many interesting things waiting for you. See you again.